Alrighty guys, check it out. So I have it's been a little over a week since I did laundry, so I really need to do some. But man, the hotel was going to rip me off. Hello, excuse me. The hotel was gonna rip me off big time, so I decided that I was gonna take my chance, find a little spot. I don't really know how this is gonna work out. Worst case scenario is oh fuck this, hang on. Ah, perfect. Maybe. See if I don't get killed crossing. But worst case scenario, I have to go buy some if it all goes to shit. So we'll see. Y'all like my Frogger? I used to suck at that game. I hope I'm better at it in real life. But yeah, so we'll see. The hotel wanted like $5 to $6 a piece. So yeah, I don't think so. I could buy new clothes for that. The problem is, of course, I brought clothes that I like and I want to wear. So if this all goes to heck, I'm gonna have to go buy clothes, which is whatever. But we'll figure it out. I think it was over here. Maybe it was not over here. Shoot, I thought it was over here. All right, but anyway, let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, it is over here. Dang it, I took the wrong way. We had a lot of rain today. This morning was raining real hard. But anyways, so yeah, I asked a couple of the locals, asked around. You guys do laundry? No? Okay, thank you. So yeah, we'll see. I asked a couple of locals. I knew it wasn't them, but they were doing laundry. You know, I have a feeling that a lot of places just give it to these same people, have them do it. So we'll see what it is. When I talked to them earlier, they quoted me. I'll tell you what they quoted me. 1 shirt and 1 pants for $1, like not $1 basically. It's way better than 6. So, all right guys, let's see how this goes. Hello, I'm back. Is that you? Okay. I put it in the bag, make it easier. It's like some underwear, some socks. It's okay?
Socks, underwear,
shirts. Only one pair of shorts. No long trousers. $13. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 socks.
Yep. Okay. How much is that gonna cost?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I'll come back. What time?
Time
4 time.
4
o'clock.
4 o'clock.
in the afternoon.
After
4 o'clock.
No problem. Thank
Tomorrow?
you. Tomorrow?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. You don't have to iron. Don't worry about ironing. No.
Iron.
Okay, yeah, no iron. Just wash it
Washing
in the bag.
Bag.
Thank you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Oh, so close. All right, so that's what it is. We'll see. Then I was gonna go over here. So yeah, so that's my way. So I'm gonna end this. We'll check back tomorrow. We'll see what it costs me, see what my clothes look like, if they even, I mean, we'll get it. So we'll see how it works out, and yeah, if I have clothes or if I'm going shopping. Either way, it's an experience, and I had to chance it for clean clothes. Oh, there's a cow. You never know what you're gonna see, or you have an idea. Oh, that's cow shit. So, all right, guys. Before I get outie, guys, have a good one, and let's see what tomorrow looks like. Let's go. Hello, my friend. Thank you so much.
$720.
It's a tip for the baby, or whatever. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, guys, so check it out. So they did all of it for 720. I had two 500, so I gave them 1,000, but literally they did all of my laundry for just about what it would cost to do one shirt through the hotel. So now, granted, I haven't looked at it. I'm assuming that it's good. I have faith. I think it will be good. Yeah, I think it will be good. But it was a win. We get back to the hotel room, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's non-stop. Non-stop. It's still surreal to me that I'm even here. To think I actually rode today, about 250 kilometers on the motorcycle. It was amazing. It was eye-opening, and my senses were very much alive. But yeah, it's something. It's something. All right, to the hotel. Let's go. All right, check it out. Okay. Smell clean. That's good. I had 3 of these and 1 of these. I know that. If I had more, I don't care. Look at that. Oh yeah, they got all. Good enough. We're good. Saved a whole bunch of money doing it that way. And then, you know what? Instead of the hotel making a bunch of bucks, couple, you know, a little local made a couple bucks. And I'll tell you this, the same 2 adults, like an older maybe kid or whatever, and then 2 young kids who have been there every time I've been there. So my assumption is that it's family, and they probably could use the money a little bit more than the hotel I'm at. So yeah, I'm happy to do it, and I win. I don't have to go. I took a chance, you know. I'm sitting here like thinking to myself, you know, I might have to go shopping, but I could tell. I just felt it. They didn't want money yesterday, which was great. It was what, you know, they wanted to figure out a price or whatever. So anyway, don't be scared of this. You know, when I traveled Europe, I found laundromats all over the place. And when now I'm in India and I did it here. A lot of people do their own and then they'll hang it up, but I don't do that. For some reason, that's just not my thing. I have editing to do. I have other things to do. So it is what it is. But hey, man and girls, till next time, live your life to the fullest, whatever that is for you. Bye.